Welcome to our YouTube channel. Watch to learn and fun. Today we are going to see 10 questions on our leader, freedom fighter Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Where was Bal Gangadhar Tilak born? Option A, Ratnagiri of Maharashtra. Option B, Nashik of Maharashtra. Option C, Durgapur of West Bengal. Option D, Cuttack of Orissa. The answer is Ratnagiri of Maharashtra. When did Bal Gangadhar Tilak join the Indian National Congress? Option A, 1896. Option B, 1890. Option C, 1901. Option D, 1911. The answer is 1890. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is also known as Sridhar Tilak. Option B, Jayant Tilak. Option C, Balwant Tilak. Option D, Lokamanya Tilak. The answer is Lokmanya Tilak. What was the famous statement of Bal Gangadhar Tilak? Samajwad ka nash ho, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. सारे जहान से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, जय जवान जय किसान. The answer is Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. What was the name of movement lasted around 2 years between 1916 and 1918 and set the stage for the independence movement? Option A, Swadeshi movement. Option B, Satyagraha. Option C, the Indian Home Rule movement. Option D, Boycott movement. The answer is the Indian Home Rule movement. The Indian Home Rule movement was started under the leadership of Option A, Lala Lajpat Rai and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option B, Mohammed Ali Jinnah and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option C, Mohandas Gandhi and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option D, Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The answer is Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Tilak was the first leader of the Indian independence movement. By this way, the British colonial authorities called him as A, the Grand Old Man of India. Option B, Father of the Nation. Option C, the Father of the Indian Unrest. Option D, Kingmaker of the Indian history. The answer is the Father of the Indian Unrest. What is the name of the book written by Tilak when he was in prison at Mandalay, Burma? Option A, The Arctic Home in the Vedas. Option B, Gita Rahasya. Option C, A Step in a Steamer. Option D, Orion. The answer is Gita Rahasya. What was the name of the Tilak's son who campaigned for removal of untouchability with Dr. Ambedkar? Option A, Keshav Gangadhar Tilak. Option B, Lokmanya Tilak. Option C, Jayant Tilak. Option D, Sridhar Balwant Tilak. The answer is Sridhar Balwant Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak has a difference of opinion with Gandhi in what aspect? Option A, total non-violence. Option B, Swaraj. Option C, boycott movement. Option D, quit India. The answer is total non-violence. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications on any new videos. Thank you viewers. Bye.